There were no fireworks in the Young Investors Stock Market competition this week. Only one of three investors traded, and the one that did suffered a major loss. Dexter Smith, the first quarter's winner, may have lost out on a good week when up to Thursday, April 14, the main JC index reflected a net gain of over 1,700 points. However, despite the fact that Dexter's cable and wireless shares declined by 1 cent during his period of inactivity, he still maintains a commanding lead with a portfolio worth $182,509.70. That portfolio contains one Mayberry share and 829,500 cable and wireless Jamaica shares. First-year UWI accounting student Kamala Bailey also did not trade in the week under review, and her portfolio remains stable at $108,155.72. Kamala's portfolio contains 500 Pegasus shares and 45,264 cable and wireless shares. Kingston Technical's Nakila Smith sold her 200 Lascelles and Grace Kennedy shares, losing over $1,200 in the process. Nakila's portfolio closed the week at $96,671 and contains 100 Carrera shares and 100 JMMB shares. Nakila is apparently opting for smaller and more manageable portfolios this quarter, and her strategy bears watching. In week 2 of the second quarter, the standings read: first, Dexter Smith; second, Kamala Bailey; and in third place, Nakila Smith. Our three contestants did fairly well in the first quarter, and we're having a presentation ceremony before the end of this month. In our Young Investors Stock Market competition, everyone is a winner.